So this is my room, and let me show the room tour. This is how the room is. This is the sitting room area. Can you see? It comes with TV. It comes with an AC. Over here is another store. Another storage room. I don't know what it is, but yeah. Then this is the door outside. So we have a dining area. We also have another like a sitting room setting place. And here is the kitchen. Can you see? This is the best part for me though, because anything kitchen, I'm always in love with it. It comes with a cooker, with a basin, with fridge. This huge fridge in this kitchen. Can you see? It even comes with a fan. Let me even say that the fan is working. Wow, this one is actually working out. It comes with this cupboard over here. Can you see? It even comes with plates. Wow, like this is the best time I can film this because I'm really tired. Wow, it comes with this. Oh my god, really? And Debbie, it comes with this stuff. Oh, this. You can't really shabby. No, anyway, it comes with a lot of stuff. And all that. Cool. So over here it's a 2-bedroom apartment, and this is the first area in the room. It will be like the AC here. No be here. And you see that's my sister over there. We have 4 here, and we are sharing 2 per room. So this is my own room. This room comes with a table and a chair. Can you see? Where you can sit down, you know, read and all that. And it comes with a wardrobe. These are the wardrobe. Yeah. And it comes with this save over there and all that. So here is another room. Here is another room. This is the passage area. It comes with this shelf. It comes with another wardrobe over here. Before then, this room also have a toilet. This is the toilet. This is the toilet. Oh, can you see? So, in fact, this room is actually nice. It comes with a towel. With this. It comes with another towel here, another towel on the floor. Then this is the bedroom. The bedroom is actually small. That is the only thing. This is how the bedroom is, but it's very neat. Here, this is the bedroom from the first room. So chip. Another one is the second room. How they can open this room? This is the second room. This room is like the master room, the master bedroom. My other 2 sisters are staying in the room. They've already scattered this place, but this is how the room is. It comes with this charging lamp too. Let me even on it to see. Let me on it for you guys. And it comes with a lot of socket. Like this place comes with a lot of sockets. Can you see? So in case it comes with the lamp. So this is the lamp. Yeah, and it's bright enough. Can you see? This is how the room is. Let me show you the mirror. This mirror too. Because it's actually late in the night filming this video, because we have a lot to do tomorrow, so I'm not sure I'll have the time to vlog the room tour doing it this night. The mirror, this is the only room that comes with a mirror, and it comes with a wardrobe. You see, comes with a wardrobe, and it comes with this stuff over here. It comes with another, like this one is the master bedroom. Yeah, it comes with this table and that table also. And let me show you guys the bedroom. This is what the bedroom is. This one is very big. This bedroom over here is big. Can you see? Yeah, bedroom over here. I'm on vacation. This one day for vacation. You see the reply customer message. Okay, all of them. We go do VG this night. Yes, see,
Wi-Fi
easy. See, let me tell you. You have to put God first. We go do revival for this place. Because we do vacation doesn't mean. Yes, they will hear your voice. They will. The last that afternoon that I went out, they've been okay, yeah. This place is very sad. I'm on vacation. You people, I will disturb you people. Stay clear on my status. I will be giving you guys content this week. Anyway, sure, I'm still receiving orders. So you can go to the stores. We have staff there that will attend to you now. So this is my night view. Shola come vacation. She come throw this thing for grand. It no good. Now you dey spoil. After you don't spoil your Nigeria, you can't come here won't spoil the place. Eh?
See, the night view is actually beautiful.
Yeah, this is the night view. See, I just like this kind of peace. My friend, Shola money.
I love relax for me. That's good.